welcome back to another video. Today I'll be telling you how to change your background of how to change anything and like any background of any website, for example like Roblox. So I'll be telling you how to change it for Roblox. So yeah, let's start. So first what you'll do is go to Chrome Web Store and type stylish, and it will bring this up. So what you'll do is add to Chrome. So you'll need to press this button right here. It was checking, and it says you can, and then you press add extension. So then it will bring you to this website, and you'll need to press next, and then you'll need to type which website you want to style. After it's done loading, it will bring you to this place, and you can pick any background you want. So the one that I really like is this one, Roblox Purple Sky. So let's pick that. So it says installs this week 5.7 thousand, and total installs 185.5 thousand. So yeah, we're gonna just install this. So on the bottom it says install style. You'll just need to press the install style button. So after it's installed, you'll see it turned purple here, and your mouse will change too. Will come into like this gold color with the moon. So what it does is, so when you go to Roblox on a computer or Mac, your background will be changed. It will be like this now. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. So I'm just gonna end this video right here. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my next video.